Disappearing images and videos in WhatsApp. Facebook incorporations WhatsApp rolls out disappearing photos and videos feature by introducing such feature. This will take on Snapchat. The feature, called View Once, will let photos and videos disappear from the chat after they have been seen. Once the media content has been viewed, the message will be shown as opened. The recipient will only see it once. Snapchat lets users post updates that disappear after 24 hours. Has grown in popularity last year as pandemic-induced curbs kept users at home. This View Once media feature can be used for sharing pictures like trying new clothes at a store, a quick reaction to a moment in time, or something sensitive like a Wi-Fi password. The way it works feels a lot like it does on Instagram. The recipient needs to tap the photo or video button to see the image or video. Once closed, the video or image won't be accessible anymore. After the recipient opens the image for the first time, View Once deletes it without saving it to a phone. The recipients can still take screenshots or record their screen while opening a View Once photo or video. In addition, WhatsApp won't notify the sender when the image was a screenshot or recorded. View Once media won't be visible to WhatsApp since it is sent with end-to-end encryption. If the content is reported on, though, WhatsApp will be able to see the content. One cannot forward, save, start, or share photos or videos that were sent or received with View Once media enabled. View Once media can be restored from backup if the message is unopened at the time of backup. The recipient will also be able to see that it is a View Once photo video. So this new feature one would want to use for people you trust to not take a screenshot. Summary of WhatsApp's View Once key features. Media will not be saved to the recipient's photos or gallery. Once you send a View Once a photo or video, you won't be able to view it again. One cannot forward, save, start, or share photos or videos that were sent or received with the View Once media is enabled. One can only see if a recipient has opened a View Once photo or video if they have read receipts turned on. If you don't open the photo or video within 14 days of it being sent, the media will expire from the chat. An individual must select View Once media each time you want to send a View Once photo or video. View Once media can be restored from backup if the message is unopened at the time of backup. If the photo or video has already been opened, the media will not be included in the backup and can't be restored. How to send View Once photos videos on WhatsApp. When sending a photo or video, you can make it View Once by tapping the one button to the left of the send button. After the recipient opens it, it'll be deleted. View Once media is protected by end-to-end encryption so WhatsApp cannot see them. They will also be clearly marked with a new, one-time icon. WhatsApp said the feature was aimed at giving users even more control over their privacy. However, child protection advocates have expressed concern that auto-vanishing messages could help cover up evidence of child sexual abuse. The National Society for the Prevention of Cruelty to Children, NSPCC, is already at odds with WhatsApp's parent company Facebook over the use of encrypted messaging. Such encryption means police cannot see the messages in transit, only the sender and receiver can. But auto-deleting messages could mean that devices seized in police raids would no longer contain evidence either. This View Once feature could put children at even greater risk by giving offenders another tool to avoid detection and erase evidence. when efforts to combat child sexual abuse are already hindered by end-to-end encryption. WhatsApp is marketing View Once as a privacy feature for regular consumers. Users will know a message is View Once because the preview will be hidden and a large one icon displayed instead. It erases text messages for both the sender and recipient after 7 days. Several members of government are known to use WhatsApp and similar app Signal frequently, leading one campaigning law firm to accuse political leaders of government by text.
Just go to WhatsApp. Just click on to this, then click camera. After taking the video shot, photo shot, click this button one. Photo set to view once. Now send the button. Click send button. If you want, you can add a caption. Photo set to view once, then click send. Okay, this is what it is. See, now in order to see the recipient, just what we do is just go to WhatsApp and check for this. Okay, now you find the earlier one I have sent WhatsApp via WhatsApp business from another one number to the other number. Now I am checking this image. Okay, received. So now in this I am just clicking to this photo. Just click to this photo and view. Hi, this is disappearing image in WhatsApp. Okay, now I am closing it. Now this image will go off once I have seen. I have already seen it. Okay, so now it looks opened, right? So now if I click, I cannot see the image. Okay, so now I cannot see the image. So this is the process. Dear friends, now let us see how to send disappearing videos in WhatsApp. Go to WhatsApp, then this is the person which I want to send. Okay, so now go to attachment, go to gallery, right, in this camera. So first this is the video. Now after selecting the video, just if you want, you can add a caption. Okay, now click on to this icon, number one icon, right? This is the middle. See this one, video set to view once. Now send it. Okay, now the video is being sent. This will be view once video only. Now it has been sent. Now let us open WhatsApp, and this is the incoming, okay, the other party video who is receiving this. Now click on to that. See now video 3.9 MB. Okay, normally this video will not be displayed, but we need to click on to this video icon in order to download and see the video. So this is the video. Okay, now the video has been seen. Okay, now it will disappear. See, opened, that's all. Okay, so this is a procedure how to use disappearing photos and disappearing videos in WhatsApp. Thank you.